Happy Thursday, boys and girls. We are ready to do math today for our second day in the next packet. So let's go ahead and look at what page we're on. So we just got done doing all of our commas for reading, and the math is going to be the next page, and it's actually a pretty fun kind of game today. So it's called the Hundreds Board Challenge. So you're going to read each clue and you're going to solve for the clue and shade in the answers on the hundreds board, which the hundreds board is right here. So I thought we could do the first 3 clues together. There are a total of 18 clues. So let's take a peek at this first clue. So the first clue says shade all single digit numbers. So remember, a single digit, single means 1. In a digit, there's only 1 digit. So let's look at our hundreds board and let's find all of the single digits. All right, so I'm going to get my shade ready to go. Make sure I have the right color for it. And let's go ahead and we'll pick blue. So single digits. So here's a single digit. Ooh, I thought I did blue. Let me see if I can change. There we go. Single digit, single digit, single, 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 single. Now do you see, now you can't color in the 10 because this is 2 digits. I can only do all of the single digits, and the rest of these have 2 digits, except here has 3 digits. All right, so we just did our first clue. So I'm going to give myself a check mark. Check. Oop, maybe check. There we go. All right, shade all multiples of 10. Now, multiples of 10 means 10 can be multiplied. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, let's shade all of our multiples of 10. Now, if you want to switch colors, you can. If you want to keep the same color, go for it. It's kind of your own special drawing. I'm going to switch colors, see if it makes a little. So here's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, oh, and of course 100, because 10 times 10 is 100. Multiples of 10. All right, I can give myself a check mark. I just did number 2, so that's exciting. Check. All right, now shade all numbers with a 1 in the ones place. Now I drew this over here for you, HTO, hundreds, tens, ones. So the ones place, it goes ones, tens, hundreds. So if this number is 123, what number is in the ones place? What number is in the ones place? You should have said the digit 3. 3 is in the ones place. Well, this clue says shade all numbers with a 1 in the ones place. All right, a 1 in the ones place. So I'm going to look, ooh, look, 1 in the ones place. 1 in the ones place. 1, oh, I'm noticing a pattern here. 1 in the ones place. 61, 71, 81, 91. Are there any other numbers with a 1 in the ones place? And this one does too, actually. I'm going to color this one both because the number 1 has a number 1 in the ones place. Now, how come I can't color in this one? Because look, the 1 digit is not in the ones place. It's in the tens place. So the only color should be this. All right, I just did the third clue. And I'll do one more with you guys, okay? Shade the number with the value of 5 nickels and 3 pennies. So first of all, how much is 5 nickels? 5 nickels. Well, how much is the nickel worth? A nickel is worth 5 cents, right? So, oops, hold on, delete. Let me back this up. So a nickel's worth 5 cents, so I need 5 of them. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Or I could have just written 5 times 5. So what is 5 times 5? That equals 25. So 5 nickels would be 25 cents. And 3 pennies. So what's 25 cents plus 3 more pennies? So 3 pennies are worth 1 cent each. So 3 equals 28. There's the number. So shade the number that's worth 5 nickels. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. So I got to shade the number 28. All right, let's find that number. I'm going to pick a new color. And again, you don't have to change your color. I know I gave you guys some crayons that you took home with you, so you can use those colors. I'm going to shade it in. Oop, whoa, that's kind of a crazy design. I didn't know it would do that. And I'll give myself a check mark. Now, boys and girls, you need to finish the rest of these on your own. So you have numbers 5 through 18 to do. Have some fun with it today. Do your best and think about what the questions are asking. It's kind of like a little math riddle today. There's some money questions. There are some greater than, less than, and multiplication. So you really are practicing every math skill that you know. So have some fun with it, and I can't wait to see what your board looks like when you're all done. Good luck, everybody. Bye.